Welcome back to the channel. I got a big box right here today. We're going to see what's in it. I think it is the upgraded basket for my trike bike. We'll see what is actually in the box. If I can get it open. Here it is. Packed good. Good at that. So it is another box within a box. Oh my goodness. So much stuff. Alright, this is should be the upgraded version of the basket for my bike. So here it is. It is the upgraded version of the basket for my bike. Now this comes with, this is amazing, folks. So right off, it comes with a new cargo net. I have a cargo net, but I could really use another one. So this takes care of that. And I will show you how big it is here in a minute. If I can get all the hooks undone. This is a lot heavier than the one I've got currently for my bike. So it's got a lot of hooks on it. Alright, so it's got 3 hooks on each side. It is going to stretch out and it will 100% fit on this. So, alright, good quality, good solid. I like the feel of it. It's pretty heavy. So that's done. The directions. Alright, now here is what is special about this bike basket. This particular upgraded bike basket comes with the liner. Check that out. It comes with the liner for the basket. So this is primarily why I bought this, for the liner. But it also appears to be just a little bit bigger than the one I've got. So great. Howdy ho, let me just break into this video a little bit. I was super hoping that this basket would be bigger than the original one that is on the bike. That turned out not to be the case. I could actually put this inside the original basket. Now, what I haven't done is measure the bottoms, because it is possible that the bottoms are the same size and mine just flayed out more because of its poor design. But the bottom line is the basket that I'm looking at right now is smaller by about 1 inch on all sides than the original basket. Now, I still do believe that it is more durable, but it is definitely smaller. Now, let's see here. Screws and pins. I don't have any idea what is going on here. The bars, it's got upgraded bars to strap it to your bike. Excellent. I'm kind of woefully lacking, but extra bars. What do we have here? These are, yeah, this is much better built than the one I got that came with the bike. I can tell right now. This is definitely the upgraded basket. Let's open. yeah, this is way better. Unfold it. My basket that's on my bike does not have these. There's nothing really holding it together except some little hooks. So that's why so we need to, did I do it wrong? I might have done it wrong. I might have unwrapped it wrong. Or unfolded it wrong. I did. Ha ha. Okay, so it can only be folded up in one direction. So how? Doesn't quite line up. Very interesting. All right, let's see what's going on. All right, if you can get it lined up correctly, maybe I did have it the right way. If you can get it lined up correctly, the holes line up with the pins. So this one actually has pins. This is good. If I can get it lined up correctly. Oh, I got it. I think I got it. There it is, folks. Amazing. All right, so there's going to be some pins. Okay, so these are split pins. Let me see if I can get a pair of pliers. Couldn't find my pliers, but this is a set of split pins. Let me see if I can. How are they doing? All right, so I found a problem with this. You need a pair of pliers to deal with these little pins right here, because you have to be able to fold them. So it did not come with any pliers. It did come with a Phillips head screwdriver, so you can put the bolts in, which is nice. All right, so let's finish this up. You're going to slide the whole pin through. And right here, you slide the whole pin through. And I will show you how to do this in a minute. You slide you slide the whole pin through. This one doesn't quite line up right. It still fit through, but it's a little bit off center. I will show it to you here in a minute. And one more pin is right here. All right, there are no extra folding pins. You only get 4. No extra folding pins, so don't lose them. So then I'm going to turn this. So somehow you have to get your pliers in here to bend these pieces up. Oh my gosh. You know what? There are 2 ways to do it. You do not have to use these pins. And I think, unless you have a really good set of pliers, maybe you don't want to. So you can use these pins right here, or you can use these screws. I am going to try and use screw. Oops, maybe not for this one. I need a hammer. All right, so you get options. I want to try and use the screw. So that's what I'm going to try and do. this one is a little bit bent. It's just a tad bent. Alright, so I'm going to be able to get this one. In here. Now, I've got a problem. Okay, so this is being a little struggly. Oh my goodness. There we go. Alright, so wow. So one of my hole things is a bit bent. So this pin right here will fit through it, the screw will not. So I'm stuck using at least one pin for this particular side. That might be why they include them, to be honest. That was a bit more struggly than I wanted. Boy, this is tough. Ow. Well, that's not what I wanted to do. Boy. Alright, so if you have to use the pins, it's going to be pretty tough, folks. I cannot find my multi-tool anywhere. Well, we're going to hope that stays. I can't get it bent up. I don't have the right tools. Let's hope the rest of this goes a little better. So, because if you're going to have to use those pins, you're going to have a problem. That one going through. At least they provided you with a screwdriver. Because you're going to have to hold the nut and screw. Alright. So I had to use one pin and 3 screws. But all in all, this is a lot more sturdy than the basket I've got on my bike. This one isn't gonna move. Other than this pin, I'm really unhappy with the pin, but one of my things is bent, and I will show that to you. This particular piece is bent. I think I'm gonna have to take the camera off for a minute. So this one right here is bent, and you can see that it is bent. So the only thing that's going to fit is one of these pins. But the pin is kind of difficult to deal with. Now, I don't think it's going to readily come out of there. Well, yeah, it is readily going to come out of there. So I don't know, because the screw is not going to fit in there. And trying to get the piece right here to turn up is proving to be really challenging. So you need a real good pair of pliers to finish this one. Alright, so where's so here's this. Liner, and it is going to, it's got sides that fit over it. Oh, it's got little Velcro straps. Check that out. Under here are some Velcro straps so you can make sure it stays. So there's that, and this is a lot more durable than the one I've got on my bike. So let's replace this on the bike. Alright, so here's my old basket. Now I've got a bungee net in here, but it's not the kind of quality that I just got with the other one. However, I'll probably need both of them depending on what I'm going to do. This is a tool set that I got for the bike. And we're going to go ahead and take this stuff off if I can. Oh goodness, it is Phillips head only. Alright, we'll see if there's a tool in here that'll do it. That's kind of why I bought this. Or not. Oh, no, there's one. Lord, it did come with a Phillips head, so let's see. I'll do it. Yep, it'll do it. I think I might have a problem. Yep, it's a problem. There are nuts on the bottom. Alright. So there are nuts on the bottom holding this on, which is what the problem is. So we're going to try to get these out. Come on. Oh, this doesn't lock. It doesn't lock. Shoot. Alright. Boy, this is being tough. I wonder if there's... Try that. Boy, I just can't get it. Boy, I just can't get it. Let's see if this socket thing will do it. Boy, it's being tough. Just can't get it. Ugh. No, that's the wrong size. Oh, this is the wrong size. Oh, okay. I think this one finally got it. It's a 10 millimeter. Well, at least I know I got the basket on good. So these are already starting to rust. This has been covered for the most part. And it ain't been outside for 3 weeks. That's not good. Shoot. Got it. Boy, this is tough. Come on. Oh, it's tough. It's awful. And my pants are falling down. Ugh. Boy, it's awful. Oh, oh, it's terrible. Oh, it's so painful. It's awful. I don't know if I can get this one. This one's really bad. Maybe I can just slide it. Come on. Oh, it's the tire. The tire's in the way. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, I just can't get it. Oh, it's terrible. Boy, it just doesn't want to come. There we go. Alright, so I got my old bike basket off. I'm going to put this new one on here. It was an extreme challenge to get it off. This basket should be, well, this basket is actually smaller, but it's better built. And I will show you why. This basket isn't done right. That's how it's fastened, and there's nothing holding it on the bottom, so that's a problem. Although that one does appear to be bigger. So I'm going to put this one on. You know, it's impossible to tell which one's bigger, really. I was hoping this one would be bigger, but I don't think it is. But it's better built, that's for sure. Alright, so I'm not sure this basket is bigger than the one I've got, but it is better put together. I'm just putting the same screws in it that were in it, and I will save the others. No matter what you do to one of these bikes, it is going to be a super challenge. So there's the new bike basket. This is much sturdier. It's not likely to go anywhere. But the issue is smaller than this one, for sure. So that kind of sucks. So, the basket that came with it is much, much bigger than the one that I just put on. But this one isn't going to go anywhere. I was hoping this basket would be bigger, but it's not. So this one's got issues. It's really not held together very well at all. So that's why I bought this one. Plus it comes with a liner. Alright, so here is the new bike basket with the liner. This basket is smaller than the one that I took off by a couple of inches, but it comes with a liner. It's better built, and I feel like it has less of a possibility of, say, falling apart while I'm riding the bike or falling off of it while I'm riding the bike. I was always afraid this back piece would fall off while I'm riding, but there it is, folks. All in all, it is better quality than the one I took off, so I think I made a good purchase. And that's it for this video, folks. Have a great day.